I had to wait for this T80 Torx to come in. I didn't have one. That's what the wheel lugs are on the LP640s.
Fun. Check these out. I wonder why they went to these lugs. I like that they got the built-in washer though. Oops. I really don't feel like working on shit today. Alright. I got people interested in these wheels. So I gotta get them off. I already got the fronts. Got brand new tires on them. You see those? T80s, built-in washer. Alright. Got the PB blaster soaking on the, what's it called? Exhaust bolts, nuts, whatever. I don't know why the paint flaked off there. It's not all curved up, but so yeah, I'm having fun taking this apart. It'd be better driving the car, but that would take some time. And who knows, maybe somebody will fix it. It's just not going to be me. It's hard to find the motivation to fix one of these when you have, you know, one you could drive. But yeah, it just wouldn't have made sense to fix it. And I mean, if I was gonna fix it to drive for myself, it probably would have been perfect for that. But to make it worthwhile, I think it's better off in parts. Shit. All right, I'm gonna put a block of wood under here. All right. Good to go. Move some things around here. Block of wood. Big old wheels. All right. Oh, you guys can't see in there. Pretty nice. All right. Big old tire. Let's see. Probably take that off. All right, we're gonna leave it on there. We're gonna work on the exhaust. I'll be back. Then we'll drop it down. But I'm gonna try to get all that off. So pretty. Right. Secondary cat. Who needs them? Oh, there's all sorts of room. There it is. I actually need that for the other Roadster. I broke off a stud. Got it without stripping it. Yes. Alright, one more. You guys want to come up in here? See what's going on? Nothing too exciting. So, I'll be back. Exhaust shit sucks. All right. Alright, well, I didn't get as far as I wanted to today, but to be honest, I didn't really feel like wrenching. So, you guys want to hear me start this thing up with no secondary cats and no muffler? We'll do that. We'll do that in the next video. Stay tuned. Alright, time to take out the boat anchor. All right, that's the OEM muffler. The thing is huge. I don't know what it weighs, but it's heavy as shit. So, yeah, we're getting there. Oh yeah, straight pipes. Got a lot of shit to take out still though. Nice. What the hell is this? Oh, this is somebody wired in a radar detector. I believe that's what that is. Yeah, radar jammer. Alright, well, that's about it for today. We'll start this thing up next time. Straight pipes, LP 640. Alright, got the exhaust tip out. All that's left in there is the primary cats. It's getting dark out. I'm out of here. See you next video.